In this video, we'll dive into the top 15 best Turkish series that you absolutely must try. But before we embark on this thrilling journey, I need to share something urgent with you. We've faced multiple strikes from YouTube, and the situation is out of our hands. There's no clear way to resolve this, and the risk of losing everything we've built here is real. But I'm not giving up. I've created a backup channel called See the Sky 2.0, and the link is right there in the description and pinned in the comments. I need your support now more than ever. Please pause this video and subscribe to the new channel. It's the only way to ensure you don't miss out on the content we love sharing with you. Now, let's begin this video. Number 1. Zembili. Zembili is a heartfelt drama set in a small town where traditional values blend with modern life. It follows the lives of 4 childhood friends who grew up together, sharing dreams, challenges, and deep bonds of friendship. As they navigate love, family struggles, and personal ambitions, they face both joyful and painful moments that test their loyalty and resilience. Through their intertwined stories, the series highlights the importance of brotherhood, love, and the pursuit of dreams, offering a touching exploration of relationships and the changing dynamics of a close-knit community. Zembili is a heartfelt drama that beautifully portrays love, brotherhood, and the struggles of a small-town community. With strong performances and a focus on values, it offers an engaging and meaningful story without relying on explicit content. Number 2. Can Burcu. Mehmet, a devoted lawyer, is forced to confront his painful past when his estranged daughter, Doga, struggles with deep loneliness, blaming him for her mother's absence. Rushing to comfort her, he accidentally hits Selil with his car, leading to an unexpected turn of events that intertwines their families. Handan, a devoted mother of 3, has spent years enduring the struggles of marriage, still deeply in love with her husband despite his coldness. However, her world changes when she uncovers Selil's long-hidden affair with his boss, Emil, a complicated relationship driven by manipulation and secrets. As Handan fights to keep her family together, her brother-in-law Yasser exposes the affair for financial gain, adding to the turmoil. Meanwhile, Mehmet, weighed down by guilt and responsibility, finds himself drawn into Handan's struggles, owing her a debt he can never repay. The collision of these two families leads to a tangled web of emotions, trust, and redemption, forcing them to navigate heartbreak and unexpected alliances. As hidden truths come to light, love and pain intertwine, testing the strength of their souls. Amid challenges and emotional wounds, bonds are formed in the most unexpected ways, proving that even in difficult times, there is a path to healing. Number 3. Mahsun J. The Turkish series Mahsun revolves around a unique and comedic storyline centered on its titular character, Mahsun Karja. The series presents an interesting mix of humor and social commentary through its plot and characters. Mahsun, the protagonist, is a motorcycle courier in bustling Istanbul. Struggling with debt and seeking a way to improve his financial situation, he stumbles upon the idea of becoming a gigolo, a decision influenced by a surprising talent he discovers by chance. To navigate this new venture, Mahsun enlists the help of his friend Leela, who is an underachieving advertiser. Leela becomes his manager, and together they embark on this unconventional career path. This series presents a very well combination of wit, originality, and a keen social commentary into a single compelling package. While there are minor criticisms, such as the uneven portrayal of some characters, these do not overshadow the series' many strengths. With its clever writing, strong performances, and insightful commentary, Masoon is a must-watch for those seeking a blend of laughter and depth in their television viewing. Number 4. Thank You Next. In Thank You Next, Leela Talin, a successful lawyer reeling from a painful breakup, is thrust into the spotlight as the representative for Tuba Tepelioglu, the famous third wife in a high-profile divorce case. Amidst her professional challenges, Leela struggles with modern dating, finding herself entangled with her unfaithful ex, an ambitious chef, and a wealthy narcissist who loves marrying more than his money. The series explores her tumultuous love life with a mix of romance and comedy, shifting to a more nuanced and complex narrative. As it progresses, the first half is lighter and comedic, while the latter half delves into deeper emotional and psychological territory. The show captures Leela's struggle to navigate romance in her 30s, reflecting her internal conflicts and the complexities of her choices. Number 5. Alif. In Istanbul, detectives Kemal and Settar stumble upon a series of murders linked to Islamic mysticism. A dervish killer leaves cryptic clues, forcing them to confront their pasts. The stoic Kemal, haunted by loss, and the near-retiring Settar, burdened by his son's suicide, form an unlikely bond. As the investigation deepens, a beautiful professor of Islamic history, Yashar, aids them. The killer's messages lead them to a hidden truth, forcing them to race against time to stop the bloodshed. Alif is a Turkish crime series praised for its acting, directing, and cinematography. I really laud its unique blend of mystery, Islamic history, and detective work. However, I found the plot a little slow and the characters underdeveloped. You expect a dark and suspenseful atmosphere with a touch of cultural exploration. Number 6. Çocuk, the Child. Çocuk follows the stories of 4 different women as they navigate through motherhood. Akça, with the hopes that her son has a better future than she did, gives up her son to Shuli, the bride of a wealthy family. Years later, Shuli has a biological child of her own and begins treating her other son horribly. Akça returns after learning that her son is being maltreated by the bride who adopted him, unraveling the story in many unexpected ways. Even though this series boasts a strong cast and an intriguing storyline, but most viewers don't like the show's overemphasis on a single character. But overall, you can expect complex family drama and too much plot twists from this show. Number 7. Waiting for You. Waiting for You offers a captivating blend of romance, mystery, and family intrigue. This series follows Kadir, who after losing his family in an earthquake, grows up resenting his mother's remarriage and seeks solace in his business in Doha. A chance encounter with Ailey sparks a belief in destiny, leading him to give her his father's ring. When Kadir returns to Istanbul, family secrets unravel, revealing Erol's true parentage and Selahattin's existence. A twist of fate reunites Kadir and Ailey, reigniting their connection, unaware of their complex familial ties. With the rediscovery of the ring, Kadir falls deeper in love, unaware of the impending complications tied to Ailey's true identity as Erol's sister. While some viewers critique the age gap between the leads, but according to me, Özkan Deniz and İlhan Şahin deliver stellar performances, making it a must-watch for fans of heartfelt dramas. Don't let the initial episodes deter you. This series unfolds like a true fairy tale, weaving together themes of lost connections and rekindled love across generations. Number 8. Dogu. This series tells the story of Dogu, who is frustrated by his ex-girlfriend, who is his teacher now, and she fails Dogu in his exam. He has to finish his engineering degree so that he could become a comedian, as he always wants to be a comedian. He tries to make believe that he has only one quiz left to graduate to his family. Now what Dogu will do now? Watch this series to find out. It is a really unique style comedy series, even though there are some moments where this series lack a cohesive story. But I personally liked this series very much, especially for its unique humor and cultural insights, as well as Dogu Demirkol's realistic performance and fresh comedy style. Number 9. Gulumse Yeta, Just Smile. Yasemin, a spoiled socialite, faces a rude awakening. Bankrupt and abandoned by her groom, she seeks refuge with her family's longtime driver, Hassan. Meanwhile, Saab, newly returned from America, dreams of a simple life with his love, Gul. Fate throws them together on a bus, sparking a misunderstanding. Yasemin discovers Saab is Hassan's grandson, while he learns Gul is Yasemin's sister. Now, Yasemin and her family are forced to share a roof with Hassan, and Yasemin's heart wrestles with unexpected feelings for Saab, who remains devoted to Gul. As their lives intertwine, love triangles and societal shifts create a complex and captivating story. Number 10. Broken Pieces. Broken Pieces tells the story about two girls, coming from opposite family backgrounds, gets exchanged in a hospital. 15 years later, Gulsarin, now struggling, lives with her daughter Hajal, while Dilara, in a rich yet troubled family, raises her daughter Jansu. A car accident involving Jansu leads to the revelation that she's not the biological child of her wealthy parents. This discovery shatters their lives, as Jansu has been living lavishly, unaware of her true background, while Hajal, raised in poverty, faces challenges and societal judgments due to her modest upbringing. The accident forces these families to confront their intertwined destinies, unveiling a complex web of emotions and social disparities. Number 11. Luck of My Life. In Luck of My Life series, we see the story of Yoja, a struggling single mother, who faces a series of hardships when her daughter's estranged father demands custody. Evicted and jobless, Yoja meets her supposedly diseased father, Turge, who, working for the mafia, promises her a life-changing lottery win. Desperate to save her daughter, Yoja agrees, only to find herself pursued by both the police and the mafia. Aiding her escape is Ruzgar, an undercover police captain posing as a helpful taxi driver. Unaware of Ruzgar's true identity, Yoja is thrust into a complex web of danger and family secrets. This is a short series, with a decent acting, and a wonderful script, although there were some moments where I have noticed overuse of sorrow and anger, making it hard to endure beyond the first episode, but still it a good series to watch. Number 12. Yuksek So Sete. The story revolves around Kerem, a hardworking young man from a poor family, who agrees to manage the Olivia grocery store for his wealthy friend Mert, in exchange for funds to start his own business. Meanwhile, Jansu, a discontented heiress, seeks true love and finds herself working at Olivia Incognito. As Kerem and Jansu develop feelings for each other, complications arise with Mert's affection for Kansu's friend Aja. The narrative intertwines themes of social class, love, and deception, creating a complex web of relationships and emotions. Kerem and Jansu's attraction grows despite their differing backgrounds, while Mert's unrequited love adds further tension. The dynamics at Olivia become increasingly intricate as each character navigates their desires and identities. Number 13. In Spite of Love. Daphne, a young computer engineer, starts her job at Aras Technology but faces a clothing dispute with her brother, Zinar. In a rush, she encounters a stranger, Yaleen, in the parking lot, unaware he's the CEO. To secure her position after arriving late, she must solve a computer code problem within a day. She succeeds but resigns upon learning Yaleen's identity. Yaleen regrets his actions and tries to apologize, leading to a confrontation with Zinar. As the story unfolds, Daphne's brother falls in love with Yaleen's sister, Yesim, adding complexity to the tale. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. According to me, In Spite of Love, Indina Ashk offers a delightful blend of romance and comedy, driven by the charismatic performances of Jan Yaman and Asilia Topaloglu. Their on-screen chemistry provides moments of laughter and charm that keep viewers engaged. However, the series falls short in terms of closure, leaving me yearning for a more satisfying ending. Despite its shortcomings, the show manages to strike a balance between humor and romance, leaving its viewers entertained and eager for more. Number 14. Dewey Bainey. The series Dewey Bainey revolves around a high school student Akim, whose life takes a dark turn when her best friend, Leela, is hit by a masked driver, leaving her unable to walk. The culprit seeks refuge in a private high school for the wealthy, shielded by the administration. To uncover the truth, Akim, along with Aise and Baker, earns a scholarship to attend the school. As they navigate bullying and confrontation with popular students, Akim becomes determined to expose the person behind the hit and run, with a supportive new teacher aiding their cause. This Turkish series is a captivating masterpiece with a gripping script, stellar acting, and a talented ensemble cast. The storyline, filled with unexpected twists, delves into complex themes of bullying and societal issues, keeping its viewers on the edge of their seats. Number 15. Bir Derdim Var. Bir Derdim Var, led by Birce Akle and Mert Firat, unfolds as a beacon of hope amidst the shards of adolescence, delving into the secrets of the human mind. Dr. Nilufar Toska, a compassionate psychiatrist, navigates a conflicted journey with prosecutor Omar, clashing over their opposing approaches to troubled teens. As Nilufar's pursuit of a hidden secret intensifies, the series unravels a narrative that blends the intricacies of the human psyche with the complexities of their shared commitment to helping troubled youth. The storyline explores the delicate equilibrium between logic and emotions, unveiling a world where life's shades are rarely black and white. The best thing about this series is its refreshing approach to addressing contemporary issues faced by today's youth. Another great thing about this series is that there are no clichés, such as palaces and violence. So that was the video, friends. If you want to know about more Turkish series, then please click here.